Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to archive board on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Pinterest application. Then tap on the profile icon which is right next to notification icon. Tap on the board that you want to archive. Then tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then select Archive Board. Tap on the Archive button once again. And this is how you can archive board on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.